Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and use the Epic Scroll Titles template for Premiere Pro. You can download this template from the VideoHive.net or the Envato Elements. The download link is in the description section below. So after downloading this Wide Scroll Title or Epic Wide Scroll Titles pack for the Premiere Pro, you will get a zip file something like this, and thereafter you need to extract it using any unzip software like WinRR or 7-zip. So I'm using the WinRR and I would select extract to wide scroll titles. It's gonna take a while, and thereafter you will get this folder. Just open this folder. Inside this folder there is one more folder, and here you have the video tutorial how to use it, one help file, which if you just open it, that's going to show you the fonts which are required to be installed for this purpose. So fonts which are used, these are the font links, and okay, so we need to install Amarillo. So let's search for this font. Unfortunately I just can't click, so these are not clickable links, which is very bad. All right, but anyway, Amarillo, so you need to Google these. Okay, and this is the font. Just download this font, open it and extract it, and then install it. Right, so I'm gonna install this font, and let's find out the another font, Rest. So this is the Rest font. Just download it and again install it the same way. And the last one is, maybe I think it is this one, Sinner. Download it, install it, and this font is also looking good, so let me download this font as well. Whenever I find a good font, I install it because that can be very helpful for creating titles and all. Alright, so now let's close it. We no longer need it, so let's close it. And then you have these Moget files 1, 2 and 3. So these are 3 styles which you need to install in Premiere Pro. So let's dive in the Premiere Pro and learn how to install them. Alright, so after launching the Premiere Pro, just create any sequence on which you want to use this Epic Wide Scroll Titles. So now you need to install it, and for that purpose you need to go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics. Alright, so this is the Essential Graphics, and let me first tell you that this titles pack or this template works with Premiere Pro 2019 and above version. Alright, so there are 2 methods. One is a classic way. So if you have the 2019 version, then you can click on this plus icon and browse the Moget files which we have just downloaded. Okay, so this is the, select any of these and press open. That way this would be opened right over here, or would be available right over here. And let me show you the second and the easiest way, and that is by clicking on this hamburger menu and click on the manage additional folder, click on the add and browse the same location of the folder which we have downloaded, and select this folder. That way it would be available right over here, and press OK. And now if you just scroll it down, you will see these Epic Scroll Titles somewhere around here. Alright, so these are now available over here. Right, you can see that this is the version 3 and version 2 and version 1. So now it's very easy and simple to use. Now let's take the version 1. Just click and drop it over here, and it might ask you to change the resolution, but I'll just select on the keep existing setting, and this might take a little while because it need to reconnect or interconnect to the After Effects. Alright, and now you can see this has been installed. So let me just place it over here, save my project, and let's play it. So you need to lower down your resolution because this is a heavy project. So let's play it. Alright, so this is how it opens and it looks. Now let's see how to customize it. So let's go to the beginning, and then you need to again go to the Essential Graphics and in the edit panel. So if you have selected this, only then this edit option would be available, but if you have not selected this title, then this edit option would not be available. So over here you have these text which you can change to something else, and you can even change the fonts and all these everything. Alright, so let me just write something. Let me first see how it works. Okay, epic white parchment titles. So I'll just write. Alright, so I have changed it, and you can see immediately, you can see it has been updated right over here. So let's play it from the beginning. Okay, you can even change the text position and text Y position, X position, as well as the Y position. Alright, so if you just drag it to this side, you can see this title is moving on this side and this is on this side. Alright, so you can just adjust it wherever you want it, if you want it. Alright, and you can even change the Y position. I'll just keep it somewhere around here. And now let's drop the second one. So this is the version 2, so let me just drop the second version, and again it will take a little while to load, and the second one is loaded. Let's play it. Okay, so now let's change its font as well. Again, go to the essential graphics and in the edit panel, so you can change this to the, and now let's drop the third one as well. Alright, so let me just place it over here, and again you need to go to the edit option, and in the edit option again you have all these options. You can change the font as well from here. So this is the font which is used in this one. Okay, and we have installed some other fonts as well, so we can choose those as well. So let me just find what was the name of those fonts so that we can try those fonts, right? So Steinler Amarillo. So let's find the another font, the yellow. Okay, so this is the font, so let's change it to something like this, and let me write. Okay, and alright, so we can scale it down. So you can see that this is way too big, so let's scale it down from here, and let me just press enter. Okay, and let's adjust its X position, so let me, or Y position, let me just drag it over here, something like this. Alright, and now if we just play it, we need to adjust this as well a little bit. So let me scale this text a little bit and adjust its Y position, and okay, and finally after adding the music, you can download the music as well, which I have used in this particular project. And if you have multiple titles, just copy them again and again. So let me just select copy and keep on pasting it, and change all of these with your own unique title or whatever your message is, or if you have any script you can use that as well. Alright, so let me just delete it because I'm not going to do this. I'll just keep it shorter. Now I'll show you after adding music to it. So after adding music, this is how it looks. Isn't this amazing? So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to share this video with others. And don't forget to visit my website harshvardhanart.com for more free and paid templates and presets for photo editing and video editing. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye. And if you want to support me, then please consider buying my best seamless transition pack, which has 300 plus seamless transitions and elements for Premiere Pro. These are drag and drop transitions and elements which you can use and take your videos to the next level. Right now you can get it up to 70% off. The download link is in the description section below, or visit my website harshvardhanart.com.